My name is Helmut and I am the leader of the Grid Group at Leibniz Supercomputing Center in Munich, Germany. And we are engaged in several grid projects. At the local level, we have BiGrid, which is a Bavarian-wide grid. Then we also have the German-wide grid initiative, DGrid, where we are involved. And on the European level, we are involved in the supercomputing grid DISA. And all of this is very exciting. On the worldwide level, we're involved in the Large Hadron Collider supercomputing grid LCG.
I am Leong. I'm working in Helmut's group, working mainly in DISA, so supporting application support, I would say, to learn more about grid and what is the progress in grid other than within DISA, especially in other parts of the world.
And another important part, of course, is to meet with other people, because this is the gathering of the grid world, and so it's very easy to talk and find out what are the streams underneath the official presentations and stuff like that. Well, for me, I would say I'm big in favor of the Globus toolkit. I think it's the currently most widely used middleware, grid middleware. And I'm kind of trying to spread its use also here over in Europe, because it's primarily a US development, but being open source, everybody can of course contribute to it.
For me, I think having grid certificate is one of the greatest achievements we have. It really allows you to have a single sign-on for all grid execution to all sites. But I would say it would be good if we can simplify the process of getting a grid certificate. That would make it a lot nicer.
Yes, Delan, you're absolutely right. I think really the most important thing is to get new users, to get new scientific areas and help them show what the grid can do for them. As we have seen today in one of the presentations, there's this hype curve, and we're really close to the trough at the moment. And so finding new users and establishing good relations with them, I think, is very important, so that grid computing is not just a fading thing, but will there prevail.
For me, since I work with the user this much, I would think that having a transparent layer to the user is one way to attract them to us. Currently, it is rather difficult for them because of the multiple grid middleware and different ways of assessing the grid, which makes it more difficult than simpler for them to assess the grid. And once this is done, I think we naturally get our user instead of forcing them to come to us.
Well,
I want to go to the beach when it's not raining.